This is Health Commissioner Julia Sheen. The flu season is upon us and it is expected to be more severe than usual. The seasonal flu vaccine is available now, so visit your doctor as soon as possible to get your flu shot. The H1N1 vaccine will be here in mid-October, and the Centers for Disease Control recommends that the first round of vaccines be given to pregnant women, children 6 months to 24 years, people ages 25 to 64 with chronic health conditions, close contacts of infants less than 6 months, and healthcare personnel. We expect that the H1N1 vaccine will be made available in larger quantities so that more persons will be vaccinated. It is important to note that the seasonal flu will not protect against H1N1. We recommend that you take both the seasonal flu and the H1N1 vaccine.